Kaito has been out for quite some months now. A lot of money has been made from it, and more money is still being made from it. But then there's still been a lot of debate within the Web3 community as to whether Kaito favors small accounts or big accounts. But that is by the way. Whether you're a small account or big account, in this video I'm going to show you how you can hop on Kaito right now and all the details that you need to know about Kaito for you to start earning on it. The first thing you want to do, if you are using your smartphone, just as I'm doing in this video, you need to go and download Mrs. Browser. Chrome is okay, but preferably I would like you use Mrs. Browser. So once you get Mrs. Browser installed, you open it up and then you're going to need the Kaito link. If you want to get the registration link, that is my referral link. Check the description of the video. I'm going to drop it there. But either way, you can still go on yaps.kaito.ai and then it's going to take you to this page. So this is how your home screen is going to look like. If you're accessing it on your PC, it is going to look slightly different. But then this is basically all there is to the page. And you can tap on this little hamburger menu at the top right of your screen here. Once you tap on it, some menu icons is meant to pop out. I don't know why this is not popping out now. Okay, look at, so this is how your page is, and these are the menu options that you get. You get the Pre-TGE arena, the Yappers leaderboard, the Yaps, the Yap feeds. But then that is by the way, we're going to refer to that in a bit. Now tap on your screen and look at this little icon at the top right of your screen. So tap on that screen there. The first thing you want to do is to sign in. You need to sign in for you to be able to access features on this Kaito. And the only way you can sign in is by connecting your X account. So yes, you need an active Twitter account. And this is the page it's going to take you to, where you go ahead to click on this sign in button. Now, aside from the fact that I had to turn on my VPN before I was able to log in, it also took me a while because it kept rolling. I don't know if I'm going to say maybe because I'm accessing it on an Android phone, because when I tried it on my iPhone, it worked straight up, and when I did it on a laptop, it worked straight up. It might also be network, I don't know, but this is my own personal experience. So when you do your own, drop your experiences in the comment section, let me know so we can see how we address it from there. But then that is basically it. I'm able to get signed in. It has directed me to my X, and I'm going to go ahead and accept this. Then I'm going back again to, okay, they're referring me to post this. Yeah, this is my referral link. In case those of you that want to sign up with it, it's going to be in the description box of this video. And no, I don't want to post it yet. So let's head back to the Kaito homepage and let me walk you through what you need to know. So this is my Kaito homepage with my X account successfully connected. The next thing I need to do is to connect my wallet. But if I try to do this, it is not going to work. As you can see, this feature is currently not supported on mobile. So I have to use my laptop. So yes, you have to use a laptop, a system, before you'll be able to connect your wallet. Or an alternative, since you are using your Mrs. Browser, you can simply tap on this little button below your screen. And once you tap on it, you can easily switch this to desktop mode, but I don't want to do that yet, so that I'm not going to face any issue, because this site is giving me headache this night. But then, yeah, that is it. So you tap on this hamburger menu at the top right of your screen here. So you go to the main business of the day. There are sessions that you have to review here. The first one is the Pre-TGE arena. And what it basically means is projects that are not yet listed. So on this list, you get to pick projects that are not yet listed and you yap about them. And as you can see, these are the top 50 projects. Is it top 50? I don't know, but then these are the top projects that people are currently yapping on. This is the number 1, this is number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, and like that, like that. So if you want to yap about any of the projects here, you can go ahead and pick. But preferably, I'm going to advise you, especially if you are a small account, pick projects that have not yet made it to the top of the leaderboard yet, so that it will give you a higher chances. Because these projects that have already blown, a lot of people are already on it. It's already saturated. People have already topped the leaderboard, and some of these projects, they might even be rewarding just the top 100, top 200, or however they decide to do it. It's on them. You get to read the rules before you participate. But one project I really love to yap about is Open Ledger. Look at this, is Open Ledger. I personally introduced this project to you guys, or to my community members, as at last year, and most of us are still participating in the project. If I tap on this, my extensions here on my Mrs. Browser, you are going to see that I am currently participating in Open Ledger. So you can see this is Open Ledger node here on my Mrs. browser. You can also access this on your laptop. So yeah, they are now on Kaito and you can yap about them. Let's go ahead and open up Open Ledger and see what is going on that page. Now, when I open it, this is all that is displaying on the page. I don't know if because I'm using an Android, but on my iPhone, it showed the list of people that are currently yapping on this project and even on system itself. So I don't know why this is different, but that is what you are meant to see. You're meant to see the people that are yapping about this project on this page. So you're going to see the number 1, the number 2, the number 3, up to something like 100 or whichever way the project set it to be. Also, you can also tap on this session here to go to Yappers Arena. So if you tap here, you can see this is Yappers Arena and this has all the people yapping. This is currently the number 3. This is number 2, number 1. So you can tap on it to view them on their X profile. But basically, this is the general leaderboard. So as you keep scrolling up, you're still going to see more yappers. And possibly, if you started yapping already, you might see yourself among this list. So that is basically all there is to it. There is nothing complicated. Once you want to yap about any project, as long as you're signed up already, your X account is connected, you just go to your X, you make a post and then you tag them, you tag Open Ledger. So make sure that you're following each of the projects on their official X account. Then when you're making this post, you tag them, use necessary hashtags, and also you support other people that are also talking about the project by liking and reposting their post or commenting on their post. From there, you also gain more visibility. So it's basically helping them to help yourself. So that is basically all there is to it. There is also supposed to be post-TGE arena here. I don't know why these features are limited here. There's supposed to be a post-TGE arena, but it's like I'm accessing it on my Android, so it's showing this. I'll have done this video on my PC, but most people use phone. That is why I'm just doing it here. But then there's supposed to be a post-TGE arena where you get to see people or where you get to see projects that have already been listed and they are still doing reward. Projects like Kaito itself. A lot of you don't know that Kaito is a coin. It has its coin on Bybit and top exchanges. So you can still yap about Kaito and they are still rewarding people in Kaito tokens alongside other projects that have also been listed and probably they want visibility. So they want you to keep talking about them. And at the end of the day, they reward you. They can reward the top 100, top 50, or anyhow they decide it to be. And that is basically it. There is really nothing complicated about this yapping. Yes, as long as you do it right. There are also some other features on this Kaito app. A lot of people don't know that Kaito is really not all about yapping. It's not all about marketing. The original purpose of Kaito was to index projects. Yapping is just one feature that it has. The main purpose of Kaito is to act like Google, the way you go to Google and research. So this one is meant to act like Google for projects. So you go here, you search on projects and blah, blah, blah. But the only feature that is trending on it right now is the yapping feature. And since they're rewarding people, what can we do than to follow the trend? So if they want to send your tokens to you, they're going to send it to your connected wallet, which you can view here by going to my wallet, and then you can see your connected wallet are going to be displaying. You can connect your Phantom wallet. You can also connect your MetaMask wallet, which, yes, should be an EVM wallet. Also, you get to refer people. If you refer people and they're yapping and they're earning, also, they give you some benefit of it also. Why this Genesis NFT? I don't want to go to the details, but when I research on it, it's mostly for early users or early adopters or something like that. So if you want to copy your referral link, you can click on this place and then you get your link and like that. And you've been hearing of smart follower. So anytime you get a smart follower, you're going to see it here. Look at the count here. It's currently 0. Mine is 0. So I don't have a smart follower yet. And that is basically all there is to Kaito. So if you are going to start yapping, let me know in the comment section. And if you're not yapping, tell me why you're not yapping. Make sure that you're subscribed to this my channel. Turn on the bell icon so you get notifications whenever I upload a new video just like this one.